Welcome to Rangin Gyan. Aliens, extraterrestrial forms of life. Do aliens really exist, or unraveling the cosmic mystery? The vast and endless expanse of the universe has always sparked a curiosity about the possibility of extraterrestrial life. We will explore all the possibilities of the presence of life on other dimensions of the universe. Billions of galaxies exist in the realm of the universe. Each galaxy contains billions of stars. Many stars have planets and planetary systems. The existence of exoplanets are abundant. Potentially habitable exoplanets are found in the regions of most temperature suitable for storing water. The observable universe is vast, indicating the possibility of life elsewhere. The universe is estimated to be around 10.8 billion years old, providing ample time for life to evolve. New planets evolving and the conditions of life are constantly increasing. Some exoplanets are much older than Earth, allowing the possibility of life. The organic molecules essential for life have been found in meteorites and interstellar clouds. Ice might exist on the moon and other celestial bodies potentially harboring subsurface oceans. Water crucial for life might be widespread in dimensions of the universe. The formation of complex organic molecules from simpler ones is studied by scientists. New organic molecules are discovered recently and regularly. Thousands of discoveries of planets of that size or Earth-sized or bearing multiple stars. Exoplanets are found in a variety of star systems. Some of them have atmospheres. Science of life has exploded in research by scientists on exoplanets. Exoplanets are the sky out by TESS and James Webb Space Telescope. Some exoplanets might have oceans of liquid water on its surface. Mars shows evidence of liquid water in the past. Europa and Enceladus is possibly a subsurface ocean of water. Saturn's moon Titan has reserves of liquid methane and ethane. It has the potential to support different forms of life. Other moons in the solar system may potentially have subsurface oceans. The extremophiles on Earth could thrive in extreme environments. There is a possibility of life in similar conditions elsewhere. Planets orbiting red dwarf stars might be living sources despite tidal locking. Centigrams listen for radio signals from outer boundaries of space. New centigrams are using more advanced form of technology. Optical SETI searches for radio signals spectralism is a large SETI project. The Alien Telescope Array is dedicated for SETI discovery and research. Citizen science projects allow the citizens to participate in various SETI programs. Vastness of space makes the exploration and discovery of SETI programs even more interesting and challenging. The great Italian-American physicist Enrico Fermi had a famous command Soyuz of theory very cerebrally. If life is common, then why have the aliens not so themselves? The Fermi paradox highlights the uncertainties in our understanding of our life and universe. The great filter theory is hypothetically given that different forms of civilizations have become interstellar. The dark forest theory proposes that advanced civilizations are avoiding contact for reasons of interstellar conflict. As you have this, extraterrestrial civilizations might be aware of us or hiding from us due to fear of contact or conflict. The possibilities of exploration of interstellar travel might be inaccurate. The exact technology for detection and exploration of extraterrestrial life is not surfaced till yet. The Fermi paradox continues as a mystery in space exploration and research. Frank Drake devised a mathematical formula to find series of active communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way. Many variables in the Drake equation are quite important to detect any presence of extraterrestrial civilizations. The Drake equation has been an effective factor for many types of research. It has a nice framework for exploration of space, technology, and other forms of research. Life is only possible in Earth. Any other form of extraterrestrial life could be quite impossible. The source of life could depend on silicon chemistry or other forms beyond our imagination. Scientists are exploring different alternatives. The sand of atmosphere is another possibility fundamentally different from actual form of life. Synthetic biology is exploring the creation and formation of artificial life. The diversity of life on Earth indicates the possibility of life in diverse forms and different conditions. Panspermia concept states that life can spread throughout the universe. Life can spread throughout comets, asteroids, meteorites, or in space carrying microorganisms. Organic molecules found in meteorites support the idea of panspermia. They might have transmitted to space or transmitted the impact of meteorites or asteroids. These forms might have survived in extreme conditions and reached to other dimensions of planetary life. This certainly increased the possibility of formation and development of life in some forms. Interstellar travel by microbes could be a way to spread the message for life. Panspermia is a subject of investigation and research. It raises possible questions of interconnectedness of life in the universe. It challenges our understanding of the origin and evolution of life. It suggests that life might be another source of cosmic phenomenon. What the whole concept signifies a specific type of phrase or saying. It is related to the accumulation or meeting of all the different organisms at one place. The specific type of radio frequency is excellent for the purpose of interstellar communication. There is an ideal extraterrestrial intelligence factor in which signals from outer space are processed for alien communication. The wow signal factor is a breakthrough in the field of interstellar communication. A strong type of narrow-banded radio signal was detected in the year 1977. Any type of signal was possibly not detected in the past. A great mystery, who knows? Aliens might have multiple eyes for more advanced form of vision. Aliens might have these unique abilities for the perception of different forms of evidence of light. They might have extraordinary sensors detecting infrared radiation or magnetic fields. The bizarre body shapes of aliens might help them in adjusting with their environments. Aliens might communicate telepathically bypassing the need for usual form of communication. Advanced forms of alien civilizations could also modify their own biology to enhance their abilities. Some theories suggest that aliens could exist as pure energy beings. Aliens might use quantum entanglement for instantaneous communication through large distances. Advanced aliens could travel very fast, raising the possibility of time travel. Aliens might have established enormous interstellar empires spanning multiple star systems. Alien technology might be more efficient and advanced than our technology. Aliens might possess their own arts and music. They might have their religion, beliefs, and ideologies. Alien societies could also be governed by various political systems ranging from democracies to dictatorships. Aliens might have their own forms of economic systems. Alien psychology will help developing communication patterns and interactions. first contact protocol is defined for harnessing potential contact with extraterrestrial intelligence. Alien ships could have a unique and innovative design to suit their specific needs and aspirations. A warp drive is a theoretical propulsion system which allows spaceships to travel faster than the speed of light. Wormholes and hypothetical shortcuts to space-time that could allow for rapid interstellar travel. Antimatter propulsion uses the annihilation of matter and antimatter to generate vast amounts of energy. The aliens might have explored the galaxy for millions of years, leaving behind artifacts or probes. The Fermi paradox of interstellar space travel is possible, and why our guests have not shown themselves. The great filter hypothesis is a barrier that prevents civilizations to attain technological advancement and limit or reduce the scope of interstellar travel. Cadastive scale, a measure of any civilization's technological advancements based on the concept of its energy consumption. The Cadastive scale categorizes civilizations into 1, 2, and 3 categories based on the ability to harness energy resourced from planetary to galactic scales. Unidentified flying objects, not scientific evidence of extraterrestrial life, and might occur due to some natural or technological factors. The extraordinary claims require some extraordinary forms of evidence. Scientific skepticism is evidently required in the search for the extraterrestrial form of life. The search for alien life involves multiple scientific fields of astronomy, biology, chemistry, and other forms of physical and planetary sciences. The search for extraterrestrial life is a question journey to understand the relationship with cosmos. The possibility of extraterrestrial life inspires search for scientific research and any possibility of any such occurrence. The improved technology is inspiring us to discover more exoplanets and biosignatures more effectively. New missions are planned to explore potentially habitable environments in our solar system and beyond. Advances in astrobiology are laying more stress on understanding the conditions of life. Scientists are regularly exploring new methods for the discovery of new planets. Missions Perseverance rover, Mars Express user Mars Mission Europa, missions Europa by Gemini Ai, Moon Explorer, Dragonfly, and Mangalyaan explode. Such missions are just to name a few for exploring the possibilities of life on Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn planets. The future decades will be very crucial for future exploration and search for any presence of extraterrestrial civilization. All the dimensions of science and technology are studied, but the final question still remains: are we alone in the universe, or is there anybody out there? The quest for the study of science and technology is going on. So what do you think? Do we really exist? Well, it is a debatable matter. Let us hope that we all exist for peace and harmony. Thanks for watching this presentation. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.